I'm Christopher Molen, the president of Unique Foundation, Unique Empowerment and Employment Initiative. I know you must have been watching me, or you are watching me now because you want to be part of what we are doing. You want to have a financial freedom, you want to earn a living, and you want people to be happy for your life. I want to really welcome you. I want to tell you that this is the right place to be and this is the right place to join. But before I talk on numerous things I would like to talk about today, I would like first and foremost to tell you about what we do in Unique Foundation and what we are doing and how you can also benefit, not just for yourselves, for your family, and how you also can also benefit others as a members of this NGO. Unique Foundation is an NGO, international NGO, and it's partnered with United Nations. As a matter of fact, all that we do is international best practices, and then we try to basically see how to uplift people from the shackles of poverty they've been encapsulated in by trying to provide, or by providing opportunities that would give them relevant help that will help them liberate from these shackles. So now, let's talk about Unique Foundation. Like I said, Unique Foundation is an NGO that is basically into empowerment and employment. We empower our members and we give opportunities, employment opportunities to numerous members that we have. Currently, we have close to about 15,000 members nationwide in Nigeria, and we have some registered members out of the shores of this country who have been benefiting from a lot of networks and a lot of opportunities that are embedded in the NGO. The NGO is situated in Lagos Unique Foundation Building, kilometer 10 Lasu Sherry Road, off Olowola bus stop at Igondo, Lagos, and its branches are all spread across 36 states in Nigeria. Let me talk a little about opportunity. What we give is opportunity. So if you want to join us today because you believe that we're going to give you cash, we're going to give you fund, definitely you're going to get that. But know it that basically why you're joining is because we provide you the opportunities that you must have been looking for. That opportunity that you must have been seeking for, to see how you can become or how you can realize your dream. Because what actually will make you realize that dream you need is an opportunity. And that opportunity is what we give to all our members. Unique Foundation provides help to eradicate the state of hardship in Nigeria. We all know that we live in a country today where hardship is the order of the day. People live in abject poverty. Over 40 million populations of employable, young and vibrant youth are unemployed. Numerous above that figure are underemployed. What we try to do is to see how to provide and how to eradicate the level of hardship to our members. Now I would like to talk about what we have been doing. Talk about employment. We have partners with a lot of organizations. Dangote Group of Company, PZ, banks, microfinance banks, oil and gas companies. These companies partner with us in helping to recruit our members. For you to become a member of the NGO, you must have been trained. We are going to give you a free of charge skill trainings, marketing trainings, customer care trainings. This training will enable us meet the need of our clients and our partners. Because what we have told them, or what we promised them, that we have members who are competent to deliver their targets. So if you're going to join the NGO today, rest assured that you'll be getting a free training, your skill will be brushed up. Because according to a politician that says that Nigerian youths are unemployable, why are they unemployable if what he has said is actually true? Because you have not gotten that skill that is required to fit into the industrial facet that will make you relevant. Most companies these days don't want to employ liabilities or people who are irrelevant to their progress or their goals. So what we do is to make you fit into the companies that will provide you the opportunities. That group of companies is one out of numerous companies that we employ from. So rest assured today, if you become a member, you have opportunities to be employed. We also do a lot of scholarship. As a member, we join hands to hand and we provide good forces to give educational scholarships to young people. See a lot of young persons out there, brilliant, but yet not having to pay their school fees, not having to pay their tuition fees. Unique Foundation do a lot of educational support by giving help fees to children out there to continue their education. skill acquisition. This is our routine help. What I mean by routine help is on a monthly basis we have free of charge skill acquisition programs. Nigeria still remains one of the countries that is still left behind. We have a lot of skills that people can learn and make good living from. So many skills. So what we do is we train you free of charge, not just you as a member. You can also recommend your family, church members, house, friends, anybody to become part of this, and it's going to be trained free of charge. Over 1,000 persons so far from January 2012 to date have benefited from this. And you know what we do that is so wonderful? We do not only train, we also provide help, because after training people and they cannot sell what they have been trained to do, how then have you helped them? So we go ahead to also provide help for them, to helping them to sell. And how do we do that? In Lagos currently we have stores, unique stores. These stores are used to showcase products of members, of people who have been trained. These products are showcased, and once this product is being sold, they get their money. That means that they don't need to invest in getting a shop, they don't need to invest in getting vehicles or whatsoever. All they need to do is to get the training and produce what they have learned from that training. Once the production is good to go, the item is placed on our showcase and it is sold, and they get their money. A lot of people have been empowered. Remember, you become a member, you are not just going to be empowered in this, you can also refer people to be empowered.